Hi, I'm Terry from Heron Instruments. Today we're going to talk about the 4-to-20 pressure transducers. The Heron 4-to-20 pressure transducer is easily integrated in an existing SCADA system, digital display, or third-party data logger. It will provide a continuous, accurate water level reading for a wide variety of applications. A 2-wire 4-to-20 pressure transmitter current configuration is used with our pressure transmitter, which is the most widely used signal transmission for transducers in industrial environments. A 4-to-20 is commonly used for pump activation or shutoff of low and high water levels in tanks, wells, rivers, and chambers. This logger is also commonly used in conjunction with a PLC. Let's go over the features and advantages of a Heron 4-to-20 pressure transmitter. To use a 4-to-20 pressure transducer, an external power source is required. The 4-to-20 incorporates a gauge transducer that measures pressure exempt barometric influences. The 4-to-20 is available in 4 different pressure ranges. They are B, from 1 foot up to 30 feet or 10 meters, C, between 30 feet or 10 meters to 100 feet or 30 meters, D, between 100 feet or 30 meters to 200 feet or 60 meters, and E, between 200 feet or 60 meters to 400 feet or 120 meters. To determine what pressure range you require, you would need to know what the maximum head of water will be above the sensor. The 4-to-20 is not removable from the vented cable. The cable is installed directly into the body. Cable lengths are made to order based on your specifications. The bottom of the cable is installed directly into the body, and the top of the cable is exposed for connecting to any telemetry SCADA or control system or digital display. The gray wire is the grounding source. The black wire is the negative current out. The red wire is a positive 24 voltage connection. The vent tube has a vent filter installed on it to protect the tube from moisture. The Heron digital display is an option that is available that will give you a constant digital readout of water level. You can attach the 4-to-20 to the Heron digital display. When the display is attached to a power source, the screen will show the height of water above the 4-to-20 in whatever specified units the pressure transducer has been calibrated to at the time of ordering. To attach the 4-to-20 to the digital display, open the box by taking out the 4 screws. Inside the box you will find a black and red wire on the power source input side. Feed the power source cable through the connector on the right side of the box and connect to these black and red wires. There is another black and red wire on the sensor side. Feed the vented cable through the connector on the left side of the box and attach the vented cable to these wires. Red to red, black to black. Attach the gray wire to the metal source inside the box. Then put the lid back on and install the screws. So this is how you use a Heron 4-to-20 pressure transducer. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our website at heroninstruments.com. Thank you for watching.